Okay, so we're eating again. 3 of them. The mostly white one, we've decided on John Wick, or Mr. Wick. The one next to him, these are all 3 boys. Mostly orange and white. That is John Rambo, or Mr. Rambo. He's got a stripe down his forehead, so looks kind of like war paint Rambo would wear. And the gray and white male, that's Mr. Wayne, John Wayne. So we got our 3 favorite Johns in the family. And we have 1 girl in this litter right here, and this is Nala. 3 boys and 1 girl. I'm getting ready to clean up their pen area. They're out having their lunch now. We've got some little feisty eaters in this bunch. John Wayne, this one right here, I've moved up to bigger saucers because he likes to put himself in the entire saucer, make sure nobody else gets in it, which he still does. So, first 4 babies in the new shelter. Still got a lot of work to do in here and organizing and stuff, so I'm not going to show everything because it's not clean to the standards I want it yet. But here comes John Wick, Mr. Wick. Rambo's stripe on his face like you put on paint. Yes. Mr. Wick has very tiny meows. Very tiny. There's Nala. Yes. Still young enough. We got our beautiful blue eyes. I got them yesterday. I still need to give them their bath, but I don't see, they don't look to be covered in anything, fleas or ticks or anything, which is surprising. But they still need a bath, to be sure. And they've been making a mess with food and everything. Hey, Rambo. And here's little quiet mouth, Mr. Wick. Yeah. Mr. Wayne. Yeah. Yes. For outside kitties, they already love to be held and want picked up constantly. Yes. Babies, them babies. Yes. It's your babies. Last night was their first night here. Come here, John Rambo. John Rambo. Huh? We can't hold 4 at once. We gotta clean up the floor. Yeah. So, this room was built in our garage. So our garage is really big, so we had a lot of extra space. So now I'm working on the inside. The first pin set up for the babies. What you doing, Mr. Wick? Yes. Oh, Rambo? John Rambo? Nala? No quiet, Wick? This is feisty John Wayne. Definitely does not like to share his food. It's them good babies.